This happened on I-80. The driver of this truck fell asleep behind the wheel.
This is too bad. Yeah, I told him this mile marker. 190.
He lost control of this truck and it flipped over. People rushed to help him and called 911.
Brothers, I called 911 already. They're coming. Fuck. Fuck. Is he alright?
Okay.
No teammates, right?
No.
Do you have a first aid kit or anything?
No, nothing.
You want me to pour like a water on your hand, please? Or can you cover it with something? Because it's like heavily damaged.
Yeah.
Put.
Maybe don't touch it. It's better. It's some.
Oh, I see. Yeah. You don't want to touch it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you come out and like sit or lay down? Because it's not. It's dangerous to be in there.
I need my.
Shoes? You need your shoes? You don't need your shoes. Brother, sit here or somewhere. They're coming. Please, yeah.
How it looks truck.
Truck is like fucked up. Don't worry about the truck. You
The trailer.
everything. Just you are right. That's the most important one.
Yeah, right.
Yes. Don't worry about the truck. This is just a piece of metal. Don't worry about the truck. Reefer turned off. I was gonna turn it off, but it turned off itself. I don't know. I can get in there or not. But the diesel is leaking, so it's scary. So I don't want you to be inside of the truck.
Yeah.
Okay? Please don't get in because the diesel is leaking and there's no way to be stopping it.
The driver had some minor injuries, but overall he was okay. He seemed to be a bit confused and didn't know what to do.
Fuck.
The person who went to check on him found him looking for his shoes and was still inside the cabin.
Hey brothers, the diesel is leaking.